This is David Espino, the InfoBoss, and today I'm going to answer a question that is very commonly asked on the internet. The question is, what are some legitimate ways to make extra money from home? Now, I've been in the work from home business for about 18 years now. I've seen it all. I've probably done it all. And I can tell you there are 5 primary ways that are legitimate ways that you can make money from home. So I covered all 5 of those in my book called Monetize Yourself. I'm going to have a link to the Kindle version down below this video, but I want to just go over the 5 primary ways and just share with you quickly, very briefly, what these are. Number 1 is e-commerce. E-commerce, and the best way to do e-commerce now is selling on Amazon using Amazon's FBA program. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. The beautiful thing about this program is you find merchandise to sell. You do your research ahead of time, right, to make sure that you're going to make a profit on it. You ship everything to Amazon, and then Amazon does the selling, shipping, packing, and everything for you. Now, that's a beautiful business model when you really learn how to do it well. Many people know me from eBay, and they know that I'm the eBay expert, but I would say that today, in 2018, the Amazon FBA program is far better than selling on eBay. Nowadays, there's just no question about it. There's so many benefits to it, and it can be a highly profitable business. See, the negatives with eBay is that you had to do the shipping. With Amazon FBA, Amazon does the shipping for you. And it saves you so much time that it allows you to go out and find better deals on merchandise that you can flip to Amazon. It's really, really powerful. The next method is freelancing. Now, freelancing is where you actually do tasks online for other people. So maybe you're really good at transcribing documents. Maybe you're really good at doing billing or accounting or things like that. Maybe you're really good at doing marketing for small businesses and things like that. So all of these things you can do as a freelancer. And there are freelancing websites out there that exist that you can put your profile on, and then you can find those kinds of gigs that keep you busy all the time and make you some decent money. Now, freelancing is a little bit more like a job, okay? So it's not going to pay as much as having your own business, but it is a legitimate way to make money from home. The third way is as an infopreneur. This is by far my favorite way to do this. And that is you create a how-to course, you create a video course showing somebody how to do what you're good at, or showing somebody how to do something that you're passionate about. By doing that, you have now the ability to leverage yourself. It's kind of like you've cloned yourself, and now you're able to be in multiple places all at one time. So I've created over 60 online courses, and right now those 60 online courses are being consumed or being enrolled in by students in 183 countries. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. And creating one online course has allowed me to duplicate myself all around the world. When you attach that to a sales funnel, which is a process to sell your course in an automated way, then you've got truly passive income. And passive income is what I live for. It's so exciting to get paid whether you're working or not, whether you're asleep, whether you're shopping, no matter what you're doing, you're getting paid. While I'm making this video for you, I'm getting paid, right? It's incredible. So being an infopreneur, being an online course creator is by far my favorite business. And by the way, I'm going to have a link to my book all about that below this video. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business, and it's all about the online course business. All right, number 4 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is an incredible way to monetize yourself because you can refer other people's products to an audience, either to your audience, to an email list, to a Facebook group, to people that you know. And by referring other people's products to your audience, you get paid a commission. What's awesome about this is there's no customer service required. You don't have to deal with customers at all. You're simply referring people using your special link, and you get credit for all those commissions that are made. So I'm going to have a link to my favorite affiliate program that you can promote down below this video as well. And the 5th way is offline marketing. Offline marketing is where you help local business owners do some simple digital marketing to bring in more sales. One of the easiest ways to do that is to just run Facebook ads for local businesses. Learning how to run Facebook ads is not that difficult. In fact, I have some courses on that. But running Facebook ads for local businesses is super easy to do. It's very easy to get results when you're running Facebook ads for a local business for a lot of reasons, which I don't have time to get into here. So those are the 5 legitimate ways to make an income from home. And I'm going to have links to my top recommended resources for all 5 of those ways down below this video. And I'm also going to include a link to the Kindle version of my book and a link to the free World's Most Perfect Business book. This is my favorite business, and that's creating an online course, selling it for a high ticket so that you don't have to sell a whole lot to make a significant income, a big income. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Make sure you get notified every time that we do a video. I'm putting out a lot of videos about the online course business, so if that excites you, then definitely subscribe, and I'll see you next time.